Omusubi channel, where we're gonna show you great Japanese product just for you. So today,
we're gonna make rice ball,
which is also known in Japan as onigiri, triangle-shaped rice balls.
Today we're gonna show you how to make a rice ball at home. I'm gonna recommend you this one. To make rice ball to have many tastes, I will interview you 5 tastes.
If you watch this video, anyone can make beautiful and delicious onigiri like me. Let's start!
Firstly, we have a bowl.
Okay.
Here we got the fried taste, plum, seaweed, small fish,
Radish, salmon.
Which one you wanna start with?
I like a lot of them, but let's do salmon. I like it.
Here.
Okay.
And
So we are putting a little rice. How much rice do you have to put here in general?
It depends on how many people
you eat.
Oh yeah, and who you can make for. You make for the big man or you make for small kids. Depending on that, we can make a size by ourselves. And then here we got the rice, and then you pour that one on there.
Can I do it for all of them or a little?
Maybe this amount of rice, maybe 1/3.
Okay.
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 And then I'm gonna mix. So you mix it.
I'm getting a super good salmon smell. Ooh.
Yeah. Wow, you can see here. Salmon freak. Here we go. We already mixed everything. And then I'm gonna recommend you this one.
Okay, the triangle shaper to make it a perfect triangles.
And this is for small rice ball. Oh, many they use for kids. Which one you wanna do?
I'm a big baby.
Okay. Go.
So do I put it here?
Yes.
Okay.
Here.
Do I put a lot or do I put like
I
up to
think
this?
only the up to.
Okay.
This one, 2
Yeah.
rice ball.
It's like for breakfast, it's like you can just make it in 2 seconds. Now, what to do?
Do this one.
We'll go down.
Yes. No.
Ooh. Yatta. Oh, do I open already? Okay.
Okay.
Look at this.
Cute.
Oh my god.
Flip.
Flip. Push it. Okay. So I push it. Okay.
Wow.
I can't believe this.
Everyone see here, it's so easy. It's so quick for them. And then we shake.
Ooh.
Yes, and then here we go. You see?
Okay. Oh my god.
Perfect rice bowl. I have secret item.
What?
When we want to make this and then we want to carry outside, I got this one. Rice bowl thing. We wrapping. We separate seaweed. So when you eat, seaweed is still crunchy. This one, so let's try. This is also we get from 100 yen shop.
100 yen shops have everything, so you gotta look out for them.
Also get the sticker.
Oh, that's cool.
Seaweed.
Seaweed.
Okay, here we go.
So we put in the middle?
Yes. Seaweed, they have 2 sides, you see? Smooth line and it's not smooth. So we put the smooth outside.
Okay.
Yes.
We put the smooth, okay. Okay, wow.
And then we bring rice ball in the middle. They say here, up to the line.
Okay.
They have a line.
Oh.
And above the line here.
Yeah.
Okay. Half, like this.
Okay.
Triangle here. Yeah. Of the half. And then, and we will sticker.
Oh, I get it.
Here we go, sticker.
It's written onigiri. It's like rice balls.
Yay! Here we
made
go.
our first rice ball.
Next one I will introduce you. Normally we saw Japanese food. It's always cute, right?
Yeah.
So we have this one.
It's a puncher?
Yes, we can cut seaweed.
So I put it in this middle way.
Yes.
So there's a gap, and then I punch it. Oh, it looks so ugly.
You need to do one.
Okay. Oh, I did it! Yay!
Yeah,
It's a face shape, eyes and mouth.
We can decorate our rice ball. Next, I'm gonna show you how to make normal onigiri rice ball at home.
Okay.
Here we go, rice. And then normally at Japanese home, we will put inside fish, chicken, egg, or plum, whatever.
Okay.
Pick my hand is a weight.
Oh, so you make a ball by your hand.
And then the seaweed that we already cut the face.
Alright, so we have the shape of the face. Ta-da!
Yeah.
Look at this! As you can see here, 5 flavors of onigiri. So cute, so adorable. You can make it easily in a very less amount of time. You know, go to offices or work.
For lunch, for school.
I would definitely try that, and it was so easy. Did you like it? If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have using that experience and you know how to use it, please write us in the comment section. We'd love to know. Till the next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.